Your cider period has ended. Your next string will be 10-shot rapid fire in 70 seconds. Shot in the prone position from the standing with mandatory reload after 5 rounds. Do not close your bolts until in the firing position. Firing line check time will be myself. Shooters, stand. With the bolt remaining open, below 5 rounds. There's the firing line ready. Ready on the right, ready on the left, all ready in the firing line.